Petepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. It's your sis, Mommy Imani, and we are finally at the summer solstice. Blessings on this sacred Saturday. Let's make it safe, healthy, content, and remember that we are always blessed in abundance. We just have to act like it. Please give this video a like. Please share. Please leave an encouraging comment. And if you got any suggestions, you can answer my questions. Help me identify plants. I appreciate it. But this is what we got going on. Rosemary doing the thing. Volunteers and sage looking healthy. Over here, cabbages were being ate up, so I stuck them in here, and so far so good. Broccoli still hanging in. Sage trying to take over. Sunflowers and asters in these work boots, and in the other work boots further up the driveway. This sunflower. Mammoth in here with the zinnias and carrots. Still waiting for these carrots to push up out of the soil. That's how I know that they're ready to be picked. Spotted this yesterday when I was watering. Yaman, yaman. And the runners are taking root wherever they want to. You know what I'm saying? Let me scoot over here. Had to cover the tomatoes because it was 95 degrees in the NVA yesterday. And I have not seen any new tomato flowers. Hopefully, I didn't wait too long. Everything that was blushing before on the tomatoes I brought in the house. Too much rain caused the Cherokee purples to split a little bit. So I definitely took them in the house. The aromas are looking good. Got a couple of more to pick while they are blushing. And I'm looking out for more flowers. Over here, peas getting crazy. I got a Imani rig, a little trellis form out of the old stalks from the mammoth sunflowers of last year, which is what I have rigged up here for the beans. I've done 2 harvests of beans, and now these tiny ones, after pruning back most of the leaves, I'm hoping that they will get a little bigger. Got some spearmint in here, trying to deter some pests. Probably time to prune back some more leaves so that the beans can get more air and light. Over here, plenty of zinnias. I also planted okra in this tire, thinking that they would shoot up like they did last year. The seeds that I saved have not produced like I expected. Another surprise in here with the ginger and the turmeric. And I see we got some parslane determined. There's more ginger. But look here, this surprise. The yellow jester gladiolus. Volunteered. I did not plant these seeds. These must have been laying dormant from last season. I planted these last season, or was it season before last? So that would make it 2023. Did not know they came back. Thought they were an annual. But evidently not. Once these roots and these seeds get in your reclaimed soil, you get all kinds of surprises like this. Yeah, I'm on. Over here, another big surprise. In this bin, planted sprouted sweet potatoes over on this side, and a couple of sprouted white potatoes over on this side. Zooming in. The sweet potato side. The white potato side. So, do I on the chair on that. Over here, lots of zinnia leaves that I trimmed back, trying to get the bottom of the tire exposed to light and air, but I don't see much in the way of okra. It's a trade-off. Last year I had more okra than I knew what to do with. Shared them with neighbors. I only grew okra to make okra water in order to lower blood sugar. So I gave it away to my neighbors, most of it, and I got no tomatoes. This year I got tomatoes and no okra. Balance. Strawberries. Doing their thing. Harvested the sweet peppers over here. Got some more started. Getting started. And of course the oregano is going crazy. The chard. Bright Lights Big City. I have not been harvesting enough, but I do want to pick off any bad leaves. They get tall like this or a little taller, and they get plucked. I finally harvested that first cubanelle pepper. We got cucumber, trying. This is the plant that produced the first cubanelle. I'm hoping for more. All kinds of nasturtiums, milkweed, and volunteers up in here. The other Swiss chard, 2 Swiss chard plants are on this side. Hidden among the nasturtium vines. I had to prop them up a little bit with some cutlery. This one here is struggling for the light. This one here is doing okay. But I had to pluck some oregano from around it. We got another cucumber plant here trying to do its thing, and another one over here. The only advantage to all the rain that we have been having. More sunflowers and Aster and Kakai's work boots. The heather. I have plucked some of, not heather, lavender, my bus. Been watching British movies. But the lavender is doing all right. It was drooping, so I had to harvest a little bit. And then I harvested most of the peppers here, except for this little baby here. And we got some more trying to do their thing. Over here, sunflowers, where the gladiolus bulb was not faring well. Over here, there's mint down near the bottom. But I do believe I threw some basil in here, and that's what's taking over. More zinnias, more spearmint. I think this one's empty. This one is where I planted delphiniums. I'm gonna throw some more seeds in here because I do not know why I have nothing sprouting. Volunteer. What is this? Pull this weed out. This is like purslane going crazy. Alright, what up? Here is the cinnamon basil trying to come back. Need to weed it more often. I don't recognize this. This is what happens when you weed whack near somebody's garden and spray grass clippings everywhere. Oops. Anyway. Grass clippings. Let's see if I can get them out of there. And zinnias. And this here is a weed that I overlooked. Come on out of there. Y'all think I'm playing with this thing. I'm not. Alright. Over here in the elevator bed, I pulled out everything that didn't look like it was edible. And we've got the garlic in here. Harvested some of the spring onion or bulb onions, and the giant green pepper is taking its sweet time. Nice. Not sure what I'm gonna put in this spot. And over here, I keep pinching off the tips here, trying to prevent or trying to slow down this Japanese red mustard, giant Japanese red mustard spinach from bolting. But, you know, just like I can't stop the rain, I can't stop the bolting. I can just slow it down. All right, let's go take a look in the front. Back in the mow. And we back. Lettuce is looking much better now that I have it on the porch where it gets partial sun all day instead of full sun. And here in the front, we got another sweet pepper, working it on out. I don't think this is gladiolus. I think these are volunteers. We'll see, we'll see. Spearmint going wild. The green pepper seeds that I planted here, not doing much. Gonna throw some more in there. Lemon balm. Y'all please go to the Park Place Peace Garden at 529 West 29th Street in Norfolk, Virginia, and take home some lemon balm. I don't know how this got planted here. It's supposed to have been parsley in here. Anyway, another volunteer, and I think this is that's a weed, and this may be a zinnia, but I'm not sure. I don't know what this is. No, this is a weed too. So that means I gotta plant something in this one after I get this out. Thought this was gonna be a flower, but I'm wrong. Might as well pull these out too, in my way. This is dandelion. Not so quick to disturb it. Whew. Well, all right. Again, thank you for watching this video to its end. Send us some good vibrations. Send us some mindful comments. Send us some helpful suggestions. I need all the help I can get. Thank you again. Check us out. Email us if you'd like to bless us with joining a online or in-person class. Meditation yoga. Hashtag Hits Up Yoga Tribe. Hashtag do something nice. Hashtag be a good neighbor. Hashtag always in our coma. Peace and blessings upon Elder Baba Sekou. Peace and blessings upon our youngest son, Kamau. Peace and blessings upon our sister, Mama Sandra. It's gonna be hot today, y'all. Stay hydrated. Keep to the shade if you can. Don't forget a light coating of sunscreen. Don't want to completely cut off your vitamin D. Blessed be.